Hello, hi everyone. Oh my gosh, guys. It's me. I'm here. Hi Duality, hi Sam, hi Jack. I love these streams. You guys love seeing me suffer? Is that it? Hi. Oh my god, Fruit Wizard. Oh, hello Maina, hi Dragon. Yes, we do. Man, okay. You guys are not getting that horror game stream though, I will say that. Or at least I do. Okay, I see how it is now. I see how it is now. Wait, are any of you guys good at math? I don't even know what the stream's about. I just love the streams. Oh, we're gonna take a math test today. We are taking the SAT math test. Is anyone here good at math? I'm gonna allow backseating for this stream. You guys can math. I failed math twice. Oh no, I'm not prepared. Is math edible? I mean, I don't know. Why are we taking the SAT math test? Hi, welcome, Mario Smiles. I don't know. I did it once, and then I was like, let's do it again. Well, I did it once, and then you guys chat was like, oh, let's have it as our 1,000 YouTube subscriber celebration. And so it's been. Listen, as someone who stopped at calculus 2, I don't think I could do good on it nowadays. Me too. I took calculus AB and BC in high school. And then after that, I never took a single math class. Nuh-uh, hate math. Hi, Susan May. Hello, hello. So if anyone's good at math, that'd be greatly appreciated. I'm good at analyzing, if that's of any use. I mean, there's analyzing in math. Trigonometry has got anything related to geometry destined to win. That's so real. You guys have calculus. My country stops at basic physics. I mean, physics is science. I don't know. I just took computer math for my final math in high school. Oh, I wish I had that. I love math, and math hates me. Hi, Linux physics? Oh my gosh, physics! Physics evolves become true. True. I did take AP physics in high school. AP Physics C, I think it was? I don't remember anything. It was so long ago. Also, I did have to take discrete math for computers. Oh, okay, okay. Mina, hi, Noisy. Physics is too smart for me? Dude, I took AP Physics in high school, and I was the only person in my class to choose not to take the AP exam. And then my teacher, like, when everyone was, like, looking away, she, like, whispered to me, that's a good choice. Because my physics grades are atrocious. Like, I was getting, like, a C on a curve, whatever. 0 out of 10 idea. What did I do to myself? I took anatomy as my advanced. Oh. I don't know anything either, guys. I should have studied for this. I did not study for this. And we're gonna do this SAT math test, but with a twist. Yeah, this is open notes. Yeah, with Google. We are doing a hand cam. Blah, blah, hand cam. With my hand. And I thought it'd be cool for you guys to see, like, my thinking process. However, I am left-handed. Guys, I am left-handed, not right-handed. So when I write from left to right. Oh my god. Hi, welcome, welcome. Oh god, another lefty? Yeah! Lefty gang, I know, right? It's these damn lefties, I swear. I know, what does that mean? Lefties are cool, right? I'm super cool. No. What do you guys have against left-handers? You can always mirror image the camera, but then again, we won't be able to read anything. That's so real. Hi, Maina. Hi, Pope. Lefties made my life worse. Is it because is it my fault? Is that why? Is Max left-handed? Max is not left-handed. No, Max is left-handed. Well, I don't know. Max is never gonna do a hand cam, so. Yeah, left hand. Who is Max? Max is my brother. Oh my gosh. What should I write? What should I write? S-A-T... I just hope it will smear. I was gonna do... Are you perhaps doing math? Yeah. I hate math. What am I doing to myself? You have siblings? Yeah, I do have siblings. Why are you using pen? Because pencil's not as visible, right? If I wrote with pencil, I don't think it'd be as visible. Well, it kind of is, but it's not as good as pen. I think pen's better than pencil. Just write darker? That's crazy. Actually, do the Fibonacci sequence real quick. That's Fibonacci sequence. That's the sequence where the first two numbers add up to the third. Then the second and third add up to the fourth, right? So it's 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and then dot 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 continues on, right? Get to the trillions? No! My brain is not that big. Oh, hi, Band of Goblins. He's handsome. I did it back in 8th grade. That is very much 8th grade behavior. Dude, when I was in 8th grade, my classmates and we all tried to memorize the digits of pi. I only memorized like 20 to 30, I think. Or is it 30 to 40? Maina, can you bring your brother over for stream, please? No. Max is 100% a true handsome villain. I cannot even read. I'm too dumb for the stream. Why? Because it's my stream. It's my channel. I want the attention. Are we ready for math? Math questions? I want to speak with the brother. At least call him. No. You guys have to do the redeem. I love the do you know math? Yes, since you had things you remember since actually solving doing. I don't know anything. It's 10K. Yeah. So you guys have to pay attention to me. Okay, we're gonna. So last time we did the stream, we did questions 1 through 20. So we're gonna start with question number 21. Why did I leave myself on a word problem? The difficult choice was the or Max. I see how it is. Hard decisions. We have to torture ourselves with mind torture. I didn't do anything. I don't deserve this. A small business owner budgets $2,200 to purchase candles. Wait, let me move my. Thank you for the half past duality. We are minus. No, you're not. No, you're not. Thank you, Pope, for the half past. Wait, is that going through? Yeah, that's weird. Maina planned on doing 100. No, that was. You guys said not to. You guys are lackeys. No. I don't want you guys to be known as. No, that was a what thing? Oh. Remember that Max broke her paperwork? No, I think I did not turn it on for Max's model. So I think when I change VTuber models, it goes away. It only works with like my current model. Because I didn't set it up. Thank you for the half past band of goblins. Yippee. Wait, let me move my alerts over. I think that's corner's fine. There you go. That should be able to read the question. Oh, my big head's blocking it. That's fine? Yeah. Oh, you might have told you not to the 100. Just suggest to do 50 and do 50. Okay. We'll see what I do. Cause I don't know. We'll see if my microphone can handle it. Goddamn forehead so large I can travel back through time on it. That's crazy. It's okay, Maina. We like you almost as much as Max. So you guys still like Max more. So, a small business owner budgets $2,200 to purchase candles. The owner must purchase a minimum of 200 candles to maintain the discounted pricing. So it's $2,200. Isn't it 4.9 x plus 11.6 y? What's the maximum number of large candles the owner can purchase? Do I swap? I guess I can remove. I'm gonna assume x equals 0. So it'd be like 2200 equals 11.6y, right? Is this what am I doing this? It's a word. I didn't study. Okay, and then I'm gonna open my calculator app. Because of course I don't have a calculator on me right now. Divided by 11.6. Would it be 189? My final answer? I was trying to be nice and not make her cry. When did it cry? When did it cry on stream? Oh, thank you for the hydrate, Susan May. I got a matcha smoothie earlier today. Tastes like ass, not gonna lie. She's taking a math test. Of course she wants to cry on stream. Oh no, not math. I got a math this junior year. My T184. Oh, my TI-84. I know that calculator. The large candle should be X. No, I did large candles as Y. And I made the small candles X. So I substituted X for 0. So we can maximize our Y. And I got 189. Just guess the numbers. I want to be correct. I can't look. I don't want to look dumb in front of you guys. Unless you guys already think I'm dumb, then that's gonna be hard to recover from that. Out of 200 candles that are bought, there's no way. There's no limit of 200, right? Oh, minimum of 200. Oh, you're smart. I didn't think of that. I didn't read the question. I hate this here. Maina, I didn't read the question. I read it without thinking. I was too excited to finish the question. Let me think about this. So X plus Y has to be greater than or equal to 200. But also 4.9x plus 11.6y equals 2200. I don't know what to do from here. Yeah, it's not asking for the small candle, so we can drop that. Oh wait, I smeared. Oh, okay. But it still has to add up to 200. Because if I guys, I love it here. I'm guessing you're still. I am, because no, it's asking for the. Wait. Wouldn't I did do that? I did do that, but I got 189. But then if I got 189, that means I wouldn't be able to get. I wouldn't be able to reach the 200 limit. Wait, it's minimum? Yeah, it has to be 200 or more. Minimum means it has to be 200 or more candles. So 200 is the smallest number, and it can be any number above those 200. And then 2200 is the maximum for money spent. Right? So it has to be 200 candles or more. Just tell the store owner to pack it up. And then here it has to be 200, 2200 or down to stay within budget. Might not be price versus maximum. The maximum number of large candles and maintain the discounted pricing. Yes, so it's not 189 because it has to follow both statements. It has to follow both the 2200 budget and the 200 candle limit. Wait, then do 189 divided by 4.9? And round up? Wait, that gives me 41. That doesn't have to... I don't think that number has anything to do with it. Guys, I'm not smart. So I have these two inequalities. Mina, please read the question again. Yeah, the maximum number of large candles the owner can purchase to stay within. A small business owner budgets $2,200. $2,200, yes. To purchase candles. And most purchase a minimum of 200. So it has to be 200 or more, but it has to be at least 200. So it has to be 4.9, 490 per small candle. And 11.6 to big candle. What's the maximum number of large candles? Maximum number of large candles the owner can purchase within the budget maintained. I have these two inequalities, but I did. Wait, 2,200 by 189? Then that would be 11.6. See, the thing, Red Dragon, I would also do that method. I would also do that method of doing it one by one. But, like, I want to know, like, how to get it right the first time, you know? Should I try to rewrite? $4.9. Eight large candles and the rest small candles? No, I don't think that's how it works. No, I have never used ChatGPT. Can you guys believe that? I have never used ChatGPT. I always see people use it, and I guess I see like positives about it, but I don't know why. I just don't use it. I think Google is enough, and then I could do my own research. I can believe that. You're like, yeah, you're enough of a clown. I believe that. Guys, we are 30 minutes into stream and I still haven't solved the first damn problem. Can I multiply this by 1,100? I'm pulling numbers out of my ass. No, that does nothing for me. I'm so... Guys, can we skip this question and then come back to it later? Please, please, for my sanity, can we please skip this one? Okay, if you buy one large candle, just use Desmos. Welcome, Rapture. Oh my, I haven't used Desmos in so long. 22 divided by 11.6, that was literally the first thing I did. I got 189. However, 189 is less than 200, so it doesn't work. What? Okay, if I was taking the actual, if I was taking the test, I would start at 189 and then go down. And then I would keep doing, I would plug in these numbers, and then I would do like s equals 11, 12, 13, etc, etc. I would plug it back into this equation until I got the correct answer. So like if I could do like a table, I would plug in x equals 189, 188, 187, 186. You guys cannot see anything. So like if I plugged in 185 and if I made a large 185 and small 15, I would plug that back into this equation. And then I would get, what is it, 4.9 times, times 15. And then add that to, what's my parentheses? 11.6 times 185, and that would be over the budget. So that I would keep going down to 184, 183, 182. Oh! Hi, Cute Rager. 182? Wait, you guys can't see my work. Fuck. Okay. I can't see my paper. There you go. 185. You see my table, my X and Y table? 185, 432. And I would plug that in. But the thing is, when you're taking the SAT test, you don't have access to Desmos. Okay? Are graphing calculators even allowed in the SAT? I don't think so, right? Yeah, so let me re-explain what I did there. The paper's still reflect. Is it reflective? Wait, am I accidentally doxing myself? Do you get a calculator? I don't know. It's been years since I took the SAT. Also, welcome, NBen. I don't know. I don't, how'd you guys find me? Is it the SAT test? Remember reality? I cannot. Wait, blah, 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 I can't. My channel loading? Why are you not allowed to use calculator? I don't know. I mean, I'm using my phone calculator. Oh, it's a joke. Okay, I'm clown. Hi, Kwashi. Well, remember, reality is an illusion. The universe is a hologram. Buy gold, buy. I think we can use like a regular calculator, but I don't know about a graphing calculator. You know, like the Texas Instruments one, right? Do you get the reference? Wait, where's it from? If you don't mind me asking. So yeah, scientific calculators, like the plain ones. I think we're allowed to use those. Hi Hydra. I've had 10 meltdowns in the past like 30 minutes over this damn one question. But let me if I was taking the test, if I was taking the SAT test for this question, this is how I would answer it. I have x plus y has to be greater than or equal to 200. I have 4.9x plus 11.6y has to be less than or equal to 200. X equals small, and then y equals large. So then after that, what I did was I divided 2200 by 11.6 because we're gonna assume that x equals 0. So here's x equals 0, small. So then the maximum we can get in the budget is 189. But 189 is less than 200. So I'm gonna have my x chart, my y chart, 189, 188, 187, and then y would be 11, 12, 13. And I can just plug these values into this equation until it works. Yeah? And then because I'm assuming that if I'm trial and error, exactly. Because I'm assuming that if I'm taking the SAT, I'm going to have a time limit. And so easiest way is just to plug something back in. The reason I was having my the reason I was like struggling earlier was because I don't know like the main method to like actually coming up with the stuff other than plugging in numbers and praying. But what we can do is that we can look over at the answer key, because I have the answer key right here. Question number 21. Okay, the correct answer is 182 because we did plug that in. 182, 4.9x plus 182 times 11.6. Mine, I got 182, yeah. You got the answer, nice job. S represents small candles, L represents large candles. Okay, I did get these two. I did get the equations. I did get these two. However, well, you can combine them. I was trying to combine them by multiplying. How? Wait. The inequalities can be combined to one compound equality by rewriting the second equality so that its left-hand side is equivalent to the left-hand side of the first. But how do we write it? So it's 4.911. Wait, what? See, I don't know anything. Compound inequalities? I have not heard that in so long. What the hell? If you guys think I'm gonna learn from this, I'm not learning anything. Reading the answer, not getting. What the hell is a kilometer? What the hell is a compound inequality? I think I'm just stupid. I think I am. One is invalid American moment, the other's not. Oh man. Maybe I can send my work in the Discord. Yeah. Go for it. Guys, I'm not gonna use this work in my everyday life. I got my degree in history. What the hell do I know? Alright, next question. 22. I like to rewrite the question if I'm taking it on a different piece of paper. Y is less than or equal to x plus 7. And then we have y is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 1. Morning. Hi, welcome, Elemental. We're taking a math test. I don't know if you want to see math. in the morning, but at what point maybe we are X and Y because we have no idea what the other's doing. That's if we're I don't know. Maybe we're like parallel lines. we'll never know what the other's thinking because we never touch. At which point is a solution to the given system of inequalities in there? See, this is very much this question right here. This is exactly one where I would plug in the numbers. So answer A is negative 14, 0. So I would plug in 0 is less than or equal to negative 14 plus 7. 0 is less than or equal to negative 7. That is not true. So therefore we know it's not A. And then B is 0, negative 14. So it'll be negative 14 less than or equal to 0 plus 7. That's correct. Negative 14 greater than or equal to negative 2, 0, minus 1. That's not true. So we know it's not B. And then C is 0, 14. So 14 is less than or equal to 0 plus 7. That's not true. Therefore, it might be D. So 14 is less than or... Wait. It's 0. It's less than or equal to... I almost did a silly. 14 plus 7, 21. That's true. And then 0 greater than or equal to negative 2, 14 minus 1. Wait, I'm stupid. I plugged in the numbers wrong somewhere. Hold on. Wait. No, this is right. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 2, 14 minus 1. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 28 minus 1. Negative 29. 0 is greater than... I got D. D for D's nuts? I don't know. Oh. Yeah, the reason it's not C is because if you plug it in, if you plug in C, it'd be... It'd be 14 is less than or equal to 0 plus 7. And that'd be 14 is less than 7. That is not true, so therefore it cannot be C. Not the bonk emotes. I see that, Sam. I see that. Okay, now to check the answer. Oh, thank God. It is D. I got one answer right. Getting one answer right cancels the previous answer, right? Right. What? What do you mean, Shouldn't you guys be agreeing with me? Well, chat, we are learning math. Yeah! Aren't you guys happy to have a nice teacher like me? I'll agree with anyone for $5. I'm broke anyway. I was paying attention to my framed picture of Max. That's crazy. Try to solve the problem before me. You guys are smart. You guys probably can. Next question. Number 23. This is a long problem. What the hell? A frequency table summarizes the data sets of the weights rounded to the nearest pound of 71 tortoises. A weight of 39 pounds is added to the original data set, creating a new data set. The weights granted to the nearest pound of 72 tortoises. Which statement best compares the mean and median? Ah! The mean went up. I guess the median went up, right? But I don't know which one is... Oh yeah, the SAT is an American university entrance exam. Yes, it is. Hi, welcome, Nyx. The Scholastic Aptitude Test. I had no idea what that stood for until now. I learned something new today. What are we trying to do here? We are trying to see if the mean and if the median are any different from the previous data set. So like here's the table it's given to us is the first set of information. And then after that, they give us another set. However, I don't know. Okay. I guess I want to start off. Do I want to start by adding the numbers? Yeah, the mean's obviously going to go up. So that means it could be A. It can be B. Yeah, it could be A or B. And then now we have to see the median. I want to add up the numbers first. I want to see what 12 plus 8 plus dot 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 are. So 20, 32, 41, 51, 64, 71. Oh wait, oh yeah, of course, 71, 72. Okay, that's dumb. See, if I had time, and if there were fewer options, I would make a table. I would make a table like 10, 11, and I would do the dots, the frequency on there. But like those charts, but we don't have that. Wait, I could just wait. Half of 72 is 36. So I can just add up the first numbers to where the 36 is. 20, 25, 32. So 17 would be the mean, right? 17 would be the median, right? The median would be 17. I think it'd be the same because there's 9. I think the median would be the same. I think it's B. I think it's B. In my country, the entry exam is just like 1,000 words in Spanish and all that. Literally Spanish and heavy on math and exam here. Oh, I think for us, it's lots of math and English. Stuff like reading and stuff like that. I want to do the English test. Oh, fuck. Oh, no! I got ink on my thigh. Fuck. Okay. My pen fell. Yeah, mean goes up, obviously. And then, yes, I do think the median will stay 17 before and after. I do think it's B. Okay, let's go check what the answer is. Yay! B is correct. And see, 36 value. I did get 36, see? Okay, I'm doing something right. Guys. Not all hope is lost. Maybe I'm better at math than I thought I was. Maybe I'm not as hopeless as I thought I was. Okay. Let's try the next one. Oh, I don't wanna. Okay. Let's move. Questions visible, I think it is. Yes, it is. Which of the following are solutions to the given equation where A is a constant and A is greater than 30? What am I doing? I could just plug it in. I could just plug it in, right? Are there questions like all of them are correct in cases like quadratic formula? Maybe? I forgot. Maina, you need to explain this to us. Oh yeah. Wait, let me see if I can solve the question first. Wait, I don't need to. Okay. Let me just leave this as is. Okay. X equals... Wait, I plug in and I plug in. So if A is greater than 30, I could plug in a number, right? I could plug in a number. Let's say I want to plug in 40, right? Wait. For the statements. Am I plugging them in for X? Wait, let me. Okay, let me try this again. Smear. Fuck. Okay. See if I can bring the whole statement over. Right? Try moving the right side of the equation to the left? Not the other way around? Because I was thinking like x squared minus 29x minus ax plus 29a minus x plus 29. Oh, you just had to focus. I just had to factor it out. Because it's right here. Oh my god. Oh. Fuck. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, would it be... Oh, so Fuck. Wait. I can essentially do like 1 times that, and I would divide both sides by x minus 29, right? Would it be like 1 equals x minus a? Seems good. Thank you for the head pats. Yes? Okay. Make sure this is a letter. Letter A. Where is 1 equals x minus a? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, well, I tried that, but it got too complicated up here. If x is great, no, a is greater than 30. So it is quadratic? I'm gonna sub in a for 30. I'm gonna sub in a for 40. Wait, I can't. Wait, x minus 29 equals x squared minus 29 minus 8. Oh, so like here. I did get that earlier. Yeah, 0 equals... I got that. So, this doesn't work. Can you guys tell I'm overthinking everything? I did get that. See, x squared minus 30 minus a. Oh! Okay, so this was correct. And then... Oh, you wanted to simplify whatever that... Oh! Guys, I hate math. Now it's quadratic. You should... They threw in the A and a 30. You don't need to expand it like this on the SAT and you see much faster. See, if I was taking SAT, I would just plug everything in and pray. Oh, man. So I'm gonna rewrite this part. X squared minus 30x minus ax plus 29a plus 29. And then I would get... In the SAT, you will have a group of 5 idiots helping you out and putting stuff out, so... I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I took the SAT when I was in high school. I had a decent SAT score. I just haven't taken a math class in redacted years. I took calculus in high school. I just forgot everything after I graduated. So then I'm going to keep x squared. I'm going to be, and then I'll be like, and the x would be minus 30 plus ax plus 29a plus 29 equals 0. And then I split that off into x I think I hate myself. If this was like a regular quadratic equation, I could do it, but the A. X minus A times... I forgot how to factor. I forgot how to factor. I forgot how to factor. That's crazy. Oh! Oh, raid. Oh my gosh. Welcome everyone. Oh my gosh, let me... Welcome everyone. Hi Pofu. How was your stream? How was everyone? Thank you so much for the follow pie. I'm so sorry guys. I'm so sorry guys. You guys have to enter in through this math stream. Hi everyone, I'm Maina Lilac. I'm a reincarnated villainous VTuber who loves anime, manga, anything except math. If you guys don't mind me asking, what were you guys playing? What were you guys up to? I think I did get another follow, but I'm so sorry. My OBS did not catch that. Minecraft? Oh yeah, I remember you guys mentioned Minecraft last time. Pofu led us here to suffer. I'm so sorry. Learn something, chat. Can pretty anime woman teach me math? I'm gonna be honest. Chat is teaching me math. I took calculus in high school, but that is not doing anything for me. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome. Wait, how do you factor? Yeah, I know the... He's ulting on us? Dude, I'm stupid. So far, I failed 2 questions and got 1 right. Oh no, ads! Wait, I'm sorry guys. Yeah, 2 binomials. It's like what type? You don't even need to solve the equation for this question, to honest. Wait, really? You don't need to factor? I'm overthinking this, aren't I? You guys can tell I'm overthinking this question. Guys, I got my degree in history. Your A and B for quadratic yeah, they are complicated. X equals Pofu's evil. Oh my gosh, join the club. I'm evil as well. We can both be evil. See, I'm subjecting... Dude, everyone's supposed to be on summer vacation right now. I'm subjecting Chad to an SAT stream. Okay, guys? And you know what? Is it C? I don't know. I can imagine if the hands are Omniman crushing a person's skull. Oh my gosh, do I have any skulls I can crush? I have Shrek. I can pretend to crush Shrek's skull. Crush. Oh yeah, what did Napoleon do at 50 years old, 4 months, 12 days, and 52 seconds old? I don't know, was he dead? Wait. How'd you get that? What happened to Shrek? He looks good, doesn't he? I bought this photo card at an anime convention. We got this at an anime convention, and here's the backside. That's crazy. Yeah, he's a cool guy. I trust a confident person. I will trust you too. Wait, I did combine like terms. Right? Oh! Okay. Don't trust Pofu? Wait, let's just take a look at what the answer is. Okay, C is correct. Subtracting, I did. I got here-ish. I haven't even said hi. Oh my god, they're calling you out. Shrek is love, Shrek is life. You know, that's valid. Wait, wasn't that like a meme back in the day? Shrek is love, Shrek is life, something like that. 2 terms on the right side. The equation have a common factor. Hi. What's the hi do? It means you say hi, and I say hi back. Hi, AR person. Or can either which doesn't do quadratic. Zero product property. Hi. Kali, hi, Fofu. Thank you for the redeems. Dude, I just feel stupid. Sentence to a hell of this? No. Okay, thank you for the hydrate, Kenneth. I have my... And thank you for the head pats too, Musy. Guys, I used to be a smart kid in school. I took algebra and geometry in middle school, and then in high school, I took calculus A, B, and BC. Was I good at it? No, but I was good enough to get in the class. And then fast forward to me now, struggling to do all this. Oh, high's not hit. I'm done. This is an error. I think I set a limit for it. I was in school. I tried. Attempts were made. Yo, me too. Welcome, Static. Welcome, welcome. Oh my gosh. Did you fail or pass school? I passed most of my classes. I did really poorly in my... I was good enough to get into AP classes, but I wasn't really good enough to actually do all those classes. My best classes were in history. I just loved history. There's usually tricks to problems like these. Don't worry. I'm trying to prove you guys that I'm not dumb, but like, this isn't helping. Actually, let me move myself. No, actually, this is fine. This is fine. If you aren't actively using math skills, you leave. Conspiracy theories and history class. Yeah, I know. History was fun. I loved history. When in doubt, try to plug it in. I tried to do that for the first question we did after the stream. Yeah, see if the equations make sense. Okay, okay, we'll try that. We'll try that. Or rather, they get buried, but after getting immersed, you get them out. Oh, history class sucks because it proves stuff wrong. I love learning about other people's mistakes, so it makes me feel better about myself. That's why I love history. Like, people are like, nowadays, you're like, oh my god, you're such a drama queen. And I'm like, damn. If you knew history, people used to go to war for a petty drama. Like, or people used to, yeah. That's a nice way to look at it. No, I have a story that I remember learning about. There's this Viking guy. He was like really strong and tough, and he like fought battles and like beat people, you know? And then he had a battle and he beat this one guy. And then the guy he beat, he decapitated him, and then took his head with him on his horse ride to like celebrate the victory. But then the dead guy's, the decapitated head, his teeth grazed the Viking's like thigh or leg, and it caused an infection, and then he died from the infection. So make sure you guys clean yourselves up. Oh, I've heard that story. Yeah. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago. Didn't think the first thing I'd look at would be a math question. Oopsies. I like that story. Yeah. Chinese history, people go to war over a woman. Yeah, history is very, very interesting once you think about it. What was I doing again? I was doing math. That's what I was doing. We learn about history, learn about the past. Yeah, that's the point. You learn their mistakes, and then you learn not to make them. And now we make memes. This generation, Gen Z and Gen Alpha, there's something else. Me saying this as someone who was Gen Z. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation y equals negative x squared plus 9x minus 100 intersects the line y equals c at exactly 1 point. What is the value of c? Is it not here? Is it not b? The y-intercept, right? Is it not b? Okay, my brain is fried. I'm going, bye, Elemental. Show them how to fill out a job application next. Dude, I said the word job last stream and everyone got so mad. I got 770 on. I said, that's good. That's great. Wait, isn't the max like 800? Is it like 800 English, 800 math? At least nowadays, from what I've heard. Yes? Oh my gosh, you guys are so smart. I don't remember what I got. I think for me, what was it? Yeah, last stream I was like, job application, employment, 9 to 5. Wait, the answer is C? Okay, I'm dumb. Yeah? Oh shit. Oh no, you can't say that. Yes, it can. Is this the calc section or the no calc section? Wait, what? Oh, wait, let me scroll up. Ban Pofu? What? Those are bad words? No, they're not. You guys need to learn these words. Wait, why are you guys so smart? Whatever module 1 is. Oh, calculator. Yeah, this is a calculator question. What are we learning math for? Anyways, I just realized that. My chat wanted. Yeah, this is the calculator section. I learned that now. The incorrect is indeed C. No. Okay, let me actually read the question. I thought I could get away with not reading the question. The graph of the equation intersects y equals c at exactly 1 point. What is the value of c? Do I have to do the actual like factoring stuff? I know it's a parabola. It's a parabola facing upside down. Y equals c. So it has to be. So it's a vertical line. Oh wait, they're not asking for the y-intercept. I misread intersect as intercept. Okay. With the method to get the teacher to tell a story so you don't gotta work available. Yeah, get the proctor. Alright guys, I'm off to grab your bed. Thank you for being here, Pofu. And thank you for sharing your community with me. Have a nice rest. The point is called the vertex. Yeah. So I have to search for. How do I find the vertex again? Is there an equation? Oh, you plug it into the graphing calculator. Okay, so my issue is that I'm trying to solve all these problems without a calculator. Wait, SAT tests allow graphing calculators? Not scientific calculators? Really? Yeah, they do. Yes. This entire time, I have not been using a graphic calculator. I've only been using like simple equations. I did without a calculator? Okay, you're just smart, Kenneth. Should we just skip to the no calculator section? Should we? You got like 20 or 30 seconds for each question. I'm just gonna, you know what? Thank God I'm not back in high school. You could, LOL. Unlock the random emote. That's a cute emote. Hi. Burrito cat. I haven't seen this math since high school. Dude, me too. I haven't not taken a math class since high school. Are you in college? I got my bachelor's degree already. I already got my bachelor's degree. I am currently studying for my master's degree. And yeah, you guys are probably thinking to yourselves, wow, this person is so stupid. They can barely do a math test. Why are they getting their degree? No, not that, bro. Ooh, I would just be very careful sharing personal information about yourself about that. Just in case. If you are, whether you are still in school or whether you are 18 and plus. As long as you don't reveal that you're a minor. If you are a minor, I probably would have to ask you guys to leave. But otherwise, feel free to help me with my work, please. I just graduated. Congratulations! I just graduated. Congratulations! So deserved. Wait, why are you here? Why are you here doing a math test? I do not think we're helping your case, man. My brain dropped all that math or school stuff, dude. I took calculus. I took calculus in high school. And then because I took the AP test for calculus and I passed the calculus test, I was able to transfer that to credits for college. And I did not need to take a single math class in college. So I just took my history major related classes. And I graduated. And now I'm working on my master's degree. And I still haven't taken a single math class. So life is life, you know. I'm living my best life without these. And now here I am taking these, and I hate myself. Do I plug everything into the quadratic equation? Is there an equation for this? I feel like you should be able to. What's your master's in? Library and information science. I don't know whether I want to be a librarian or an archivist yet, but my job is paying for my degree. So I'm just surviving. Math is pain? Yeah, I hate it here. Okay, I'm just gonna chalk this up to graphing calculator. A librarian would be nice. It would be. I think it'd be really nice to be a librarian. The only thing is that the pay. I am very aware. Like it's a job you want to be in for the passion. And just good at logistics. Yeah, you guys are smart. Seems like a chill job. Sometimes it's chill. I do being in my major and talking with other people who are in the library field, they've shared their experiences with me. They say it's a lot like customer service, and then you do what's it called? You do help all members of the public. So you meet people of various backgrounds and experiences, and most of the time they're very nice. But otherwise, you get like a Karen or something. For graphic, I did use Desmos back in the day. I just don't want to pull it up right now. If you did become a librarian, how would you feel on your first day? Someone knocks over an entire row of shelves like those cartoons and stuff. I mean, what's it called? I'm trying to talk about what my friends' experiences have been like. I know someone who works in a library, and on their first day on the job, someone peed inside the elevator. Anything else? Ew, yeah. I'm trying to think about other stuff. And then I'm trying. Yeah, I mean, you deal with a lot of things working in a library. So I'm trying to like mentally prepare myself for when if or when I decide to go down that path. I mean, libraries are very crucial, so I just wish they paid more. The functions f and g are defined by the given. Have you figured out number 26? I have not. Are you kidding me? I think working anywhere you deal with, I feel very much that way too. Like I used to work retail. I used to work in clothing stores, so like, I've seen some shit. X is greater than or equal to 0. Which of the following displays? Which of the following equations displays as a constant or coefficient the maximum value of the function defines where x is greater than or equal to 0? Can I plug in a number? Is this the graphing calculator question? No? Okay, so I'm just stupid. Wait, can I plug in numbers for this? We want to find declining function. Because you won't ever get a coefficient of your part of the function. You're not. Okay. You guys are too nice. You guys are too nice. Fine. See ya. No worries, no worries. Thank you so much for dropping by, AR person. It's okay. Even if we don't know any... This one will take you a while. Yes. Because it's a positive equation. Oh, therefore it won't have a maximum. Oh! True! Wait, that is true. However, yes. What's this equation? Are these exponential? So exponentially like declines. I learned this! I did learn this! Wait! I did learn this in like algebra 2. Yes. Wait, so then that would mean avatars and memories? Dude, my life flashed before my eyes. Displays the maximum value of the where x equals to 0. So it wouldn't be 1. It would be 2. Right? Would it be B? Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I got a question right. Did I? Wait. Wait. Let's go. Yeah, 1.25 is greater than 1. There's no maximum because it's always increasing. Guys, I should be a math major. I'm just kidding. I got it. You guys are so smart. Oh my gosh, thank you guys. So tough. Mine a big brain, minus learning. Minus learning. Okay. 27. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 852 centimeters. The 3 vertices of the triangle lie on a circle. The radius of the circle is... Are you kidding me? Okay. So the perimeter is... Oh, well, math is more hieroglyphics than this. Just for now. It'll be picture. Yeah. I want to say 284. Right, and 3 vertices are a circle. The radius of the circle is W. What is the value of W? And then okay, now if you want to use the radius to split triangle, 3 triangles, you have 3 obtuse triangles. Yeah. Oh wait, 3. You mean like 3 up? You mean like that? Obtuse triangles, and this is 284. You edge the triangle to the center point right here. Right? Oh, that's not shared, not me. You guys hear anything? One sec. Oh my. Dude, this isn't even me taking the SAT test anymore. It's literally, this whole stream is just me asking chat for help. You got... I feel like this would be like 142. 142. Wrong method? Ah, shot. Without pen and paper? How did you solve this without pen or paper? Oh god, am I back in college or high school? High school. I remember doing this when I hated it. What the heck? And yeah, I'm trying to think too. I'm trying to think. Is this 142 or is not? I can't tell because I'm just really bad at drawing. Like, this does not look equilateral to me. It should be 142. It should be, right? That side is what. Okay. Okay. So 142. So I guess. Wait. I should really get some coffee. At least you're able to solve these questions. Oh wait, my paper's not showing up. I'm trying to draw it out. Similar triangles, probably. I hate triangles. No, actually, I love triangles. Triangles are one of my favorite shapes because they're very stable. That's out of topic. And I think this is 30, 90, 60. Trying to remember. Because if it's equilateral, then the other side is 30, 90, 60. I'm trying. I don't know. I feel like I'm putting out too much. $71. Oh, wait, 1, 2, radical 3. No. This stream is just me sitting in silence. What does? I feel like I'm my ugly ass drawing. Did I draw my picture wrong? Is this SAT or what? Yes, it is the SAT static. Now you drew it right? Okay. Don't mind me, I'm getting paper. That's crazy. No, you drew it? Okay. I'm new here. This is my second time ever doing this. Dude, my content is supposed to be for 18 plus. Like, I don't stream to minors. So I don't even know why I'm doing this. Oh my gosh. I'll be like an SAT instructor. Oh, wow. No, I remember chat asked for this once, and now I have regrets. I have life regrets. Side gig? Oh my gosh. Dude, everyone's gonna fail their SAT because of me. 47 and 1/3, that should be the answer. Wait, okay. Let's just check it. I'm tired. 284/3. Damn, they went with the improper fraction. Wait, what? Perimeter, yes, I got that right. Right triangle, I got that right. I missed the midpoint. AS. Oh, is this O? This is M. That's A. AM is 142. Yes, that's correct. I got 36090. O, A, M, sturdy, yes. A, O. That is true. Oh, this is. I forgot to multiply a 2. Oh my gosh. No, it's okay. You got everything else right. Bye points, bro. No, you already took the test. Don't be traumatized. No. This is probably worth 10 points in the essay. Don't worry. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. So this is W squared 3. Oh, because of the angle, right? The angle. So so the angle means that this is gonna be half the size of this one. So it's gonna be W rad 3 over 2. Since this is 142, you drew it wrong. Okay, so I can't draw. Okay, let's see if I can. Dude, so I did draw wrong. I'm gonna draw what? Here? Where's here? Whiteboard link? There's a whiteboard link? No, don't worry about it. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to, like, imagine it. My notes look like... You're fine. Oh, it's filtering the link. LOL. I'm so sorry. A normal triangle. The 3 vertices, the 3 corners, lie in a circle. Looks like the answer probably 2. Yura, I believe you. At this... And take the 3rd we talked about earlier. Wait. Take the 3rd. Wait. Hold on. I still haven't drawn the circle yet. Is this a circle? Is that what the circle looks like? And then we want to take, wait, when you cut the triangle, okay. Like this? Wait, is it left or right? Take one triangle, those three draw separately? Okay. It would be 30. No. Wait, let me try one more time. Okay. This would be 60, right? No, not 60. 120? 120. 120 and 30. 30? Yes, okay. And this is... What did I write? What did I draw last page? Yes, okay. 284. Wait, let me redraw. It's so ugly. 120, 30. And then this says 284. Which one are you solving? 27. Yes. And then... Is this 142? Oh, wrong drawing. Oh, the original. Okay. Oh, the right triangle. $142. Wait. Is it this? So this is incorrect. This is the correct. Wait. Fuck. Is this what you mean? Is this the correct drawing? I was doomed from the start because I drew the triangle like this from the start when it was supposed to look like this from the start. Like, I promise. Hi, find the keys. Hi, endless fish. I don't know. I'm trying. Wait, I'm so sorry. I can't tell who your profile picture is. It kind of reminds me of Jinx. It'll make sense. Wait, no, it isn't equilateral. It isn't equilateral. So equilateral is 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, where we're splitting it in half. So it's gonna be 90, 60, 30. And then this is gonna be 142. Right? Okay, you split, yes, okay. I hate it here. I can't see. Move your cam down. I can't see. I'm trying. This is the triangle. This is the triangle. No. The original. Okay, so the original is 284, 280. Oh, I can't. Give one more paper. Let me turn the page. Yeah, page. Okay, the original triangle, right, is 284, 284, 284, right? But then we want this. I cannot draw the damn triangle. We want this. Okay, 60, 30, and this is 280. Wait, what am I doing? Yes, find the keys. That is correct. Wait, what the hell am I doing again? Wait. Yes, you're good. Okay. So this is 284. Is this 284? And then this is 180. Wait, okay. 142. And then middle of the left side. Now draw the line from the middle of the left side to the edge of the triangle. This? No, down. Oh, like this. Oh, 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 new triangle, new triangle, new triangle. 142, right angle, 30, 60. Oh, oh. And then this is the radius. This is the radius. This is W radical 3. Right. The line you just, yes! And then, oh my god! And then, is this divided by 2? Wait, do I divide by 2 for here? No, okay. Okay. That's where they get you. Oh, because the angle. True. True. This trips a lot of kids. Well, I'm a kid now, I guess. Wait, do I have to go back to the first triangle? No, don't worry. What is it? Isn't it like... So this is 284 and this is 182, right? Do I solve a plus... Do I do a squared plus b squared equals c squared? Calculate this and then like divide by 2 or whatever? Or... I'm trying to figure it. I don't know. Remember. Wait, that doesn't have anything to do with it though. No. 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 I'm overthinking this. Absolutely not. I'm like talking out of my ass right now. You guys cannot tell. $142 is x times x. Wait. Question. Was this something I was supposed to memorize? Was I supposed to memorize this ratio? Guys, I feel like I should drop out of high school even though I already got my diploma. I'm crying. Welcome, Nobu-san. They joined the server just so I can... Wait, given formula? See, the only thing about triangles I remember is 3, 4, 5, and 5, 12, 13, because those are Pythagorean theorems. Oh! Oh, they did give it! Oh! 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 It was given. Oh! Right here. What are you confused on? Find the keys. I am just stupid. I have not taken a math class in redacted years. I did not look up any of the references for the SAT. Now to use the first equation. I remember back then we were supposed to memorize these. Dude, I memorized the ratio circle back then. I remember what is it, like, it was like pi, 2 pi, and then it was like just pi over 2, then 3 pi over 2. I remember that. I remember that. Oh, hey, pay attention for X. Okay. Yes, Your Honor. Oh. What was it doing again? 142 equals, yes, x times square root of 3. Oh, so it's 142 over, what's x? Wait, stop being distracted, Lamau. Oopsies. Yes. $142 divided by. Wait, I need my calculator. Square root of 3. Oh, and I plug it back here. So W rad 3 equals 142 rad 3. Plug into second equation. Divide rad 3. Divide rad 3? Or wait, this looks really ugly. I remember how to do this. Times 1 rad 3. Wait, what am I doing again? Yeah, multiply both sides by. Wait, is that divide? Oh wait, I'm fucking dumb. Wait, hold on. Let me rewrite this. Goes to. This comes from experience. That my problem is that I had experience. I don't have an excuse from this. Multiply both sides by rad 3. What? Hi, welcome, Ferlens. This is bringing back the SAT trauma. This is the SAT. So, oh wait, I remember these problems. I don't. You're doing so good. I'm a grown woman. I should know these. Oh my god. Now simplify the right side. Do they just cancel out? This cancels out, right? So it's just 284. No, not yet. That's it. That's it. That is it. That's it. Hi, welcome, Labyrinth. And guess what W equals? Guys, this is gonna be our last math stream, right? We're never gonna take the SAT again after this? I did do that. I did do 852 divided by 3. Next is the ACT. I never took the SAT. I mean, I never took the ACT. I took the SAT. See, look at this. Look at this. All this is on the stream. Oh my gosh, all this. See, I did do the math. 852 to 284. I like teaching math. ACT is better than I only took one. Guys, I've been streaming for 2 hours. I only did 6 questions. Or 7 questions. Guys, a couple more times didn't hurt anyone. Do you guys actually want to see this content? Good job, thank you. And that's part 1. Now, we have part 2. Oh wait, that's the answer key, fuck. Oops. Part 2, right down here. Personally love math, you guys. Wait, calculator is permitted. I will teach you SAT math for free. Good. But I'm better at physics and math. Love math. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys are crazy. I can't. I'm just a girl. All right, fine. Want to do a few more questions? Yeah? Math is math. I hate math. Math and I, not besties. OMG to Will for not doing it in a while. It was mostly you guys teaching me. Yeah, let's force the history major to do math. Nah, people 100 years can be like, Maina made history for being the worst person at math. Alright, what's the y-intercept on the line graph? Y-intercept is 5. Please, it's 5, 0. No, 0, 5. It's C. Question 1 is... Oh, fuck. Question 1 is C. Please tell me it's C. Please tell me it's C. Please tell me it's C. If it's not C, I'm gonna... I don't know. I'm gonna cry. My sanity... guys, please. Yeah? Okay. A baby can do that? Well, guess what? I may as well be a baby, okay? I may as well be a baby. Okay. Let's check the answer for my sanity. C. Yes, that's C. Thank God. Oh my gosh, light work. I know, right? Oh, I hate this. For a certain region, the table shows the average number of store employees in 2016 by type of store. Based on the table, how much greater was the average number of store employees in warehouse, stores, and supermarkets? Is this just 365 minus 130? What kind of stuff do you do in informational science? It really varies. With my major, with my master's degree, I'm currently pursuing a master's in library and informational science. So I could become a librarian, I could become an archivist, I could become data asset manager, stuff like that. So it really varies. So the coursework. If I wanted to be a librarian, I could take courses on library stuff like history of books, stuff like creating programs to help people with different backgrounds. And then if I want to do archives, I can take classes on digital or analog preservation. I could take classes on stuff like that. The only con is with the rise of artificial intelligence, people are predicting that it's going to have an impact on archives. And then there's other like different disciplines you could do with that as well. Oh, follower goal. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, thank you. What was it? Have you played Goo Goo Babies? I have not played that. With the life and all, that's crazy. Business and finance? God damn. You can teach us history next time or something? What kind of history would you guys want to learn? I don't know what I can teach. When I became a history major, I mostly retained my essay writing skills, not my, like, what happened during this time of history skills. Oh, mechanical engineering. Nice, nice. Yeah, why math? Because chat requested math first. So we're gonna do math. And then later on, we're gonna go back up to reading and writing. We hit the goal, yeah. Chat on the Twitch. I love ancient Greek and Roman history. I actually wrote my most recent I wrote my most recent research paper, my 15-page paper on the Roman Empire. I actually have a book. I actually bought a book about the Roman Empire. I actually just bought this book about the Roman Empire. It's called Service: How Slavery Made the Roman Empire, and it's by my favorite author. My favorite author is Emma Seven. Ooh, why are these so easy? What level is this? This is high school math. High school SAT math. And this book is actually signed. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. That's the author's signature. I bought it signed because this is my favorite author. One of my favorite authors. Definitely one of my favorite for nonfiction. Reading section is so chopper. Generally, Bailey's gonna 70 on it. Dude, better than me. Yeah, there is no calculus on SAT. Calculus is considered a college level course. So if you take calculus in high school, you are taking college level mathematics. So there's no way calculus would be on the SAT. Teach us the economical and social effects of the Napoleonic Wars. Bro, I could tell you about Napoleon, but it's not gonna be from history. It's gonna be from the dating games I played. Yeah, mathematical and algebraic problems, whatever Phoenix said. I overthink, so. There's a digital SAT? That's crazy. Oh, question number 3. Let me move my model over. So you guys can read the... Oh. My model. There you go. You guys talk about the SAT makes me feel so old. Wait, I don't need to move my model. I can just stay here. There you go. I also learned trigonometry in 9th grade. I took Algebra 2 Trig, so the first semester was Algebra 2, second semester was Trig. Rent's a tent and it costs $11 per day, plus... per day, plus $10 equals C. That it? Is it C? Yeah. I took Algebra 2 in geometry and looked trig. Yeah, I took geometry in 8th grade. I took algebra in 7th grade. Algebra 2 in 9th grade. Pre-calc in 10th, and then calculus 11, 12. I was really bad at math though, so like my grades were not good. Yeah, calculus BC, I performed really poorly. I just wanted to take the AP test and like pray. I used to suck at math, bro. I still suck at math. It's okay. I did math and then I remember we got hundreds of... Oh, nice, nice. Quite different when I live. We don't choose what to take. We learn everything. Oh. For me, it's like if I was able to reach that level, I'll try. Just so I could take fewer classes in college. Wait, Labyrinth. Wait, that's so terrible. I would fight them. Well, not literally. I don't want to get expelled, but like, that's not cool. I am traumatized by triangles now. Are you kidding me? Did I do the previous question? Yeah, I did. Mina, how about some heart hands? I can do a half heart. I don't have a glove on my other hand, so you guys get a half heart today. Guys, complete the heart. Guys, someone. Unless you guys are not parasocial. I mean, I'm parasocial. I'm completing my own heart. If you guys don't got me, I got me. I had this tutor. He was my neighbor. She was low-key hella patient. My dumbass when she tutored me. Those teachers are... Oh, yeah. For me, if I pass the AP test, then it transfers to college credit. Wait, guys, let me BRB real quick. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. I hate it here. I'm gonna try to stream for like 30 more minutes and then I'll end it. I don't know if a lot of other countries do this, but in my country there's something called the Math and Physics Olympics and I participated. Oh, not? Oh my gosh, internationally. Yo, that must look really good on your record. Okay, question number 5. Right triangle drawn. So A is 4, 5 is B, C. Would it be 4 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared square root square root? It will be D. What is your IQ? Not because I'm worried. I don't know. I've never taken an IQ test. Hi, welcome, Maple. Damn, we got an Olympiad. I know. You guys are so smart. It's D, right? What question am I on? 5? Or wait, where is this? 5. Oh, thank God. Pythagorean theorem. I remember seeing a manga clip about someone falling in love with like a Pythagoras statue. I was like, you know what? Valid. I don't know if it's for your cause though. Number 6. Wait. Now look at me watching fictional anime woman on the internet. I have peaked. Hey, I'm doing, you're watching one doing math. Took one without like, whoa, 100 something. Okay, that's good. That's great. I don't know if IQ tests really mean anything though. I think ultimately, as long as you're a hard worker and you put effort, you can, accomplish anything. But I would be interested. I would be intrigued. I don't know if I would like the result though. But 140 is really high from what I've heard. Is it just 9? DM go to participate once in the national select, but in the international team. At least you know my thing spend so much time in prep. Oh, how are you? I'm doing. I'm living. I'm living. I don't know. I'm taking this test and I hate math, so. But actually, let's finish up this page, and then I'll yap for the rest of the stream. How about that? 7 fx equals 8x cubed plus 4, and f2 equals 8 2 cubed plus 4, m equals 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2, a 64 plus 4, 68. I don't take any now because I feel like I'll compare myself too much to the score. Oh, okay, valid. I remember trying in English class when we had a prompt about intelligence and IQ test. Did you like was it like defend or something, or? Oh, 960. Okay, I got these two right. I got 6 and 7. 6, 7. I hate myself. I mean, what? Why are you guys dotting me? Well, I hope you're okay, Maple. I hope you're okay. Guy, why are you guys grabbing your hat? It's fine. It's fine. It's just a joke. I'm a Gen Zer, okay? Please tell me -2 is the y-intercept. Is it? I'm pretty sure it is. Oh. Yeah, B, yeah. I'm back, guys. Hi, welcome back, Phoenix. Is it Phoenix, or let me know how to correctly pronounce your username. Good job. I got one question right. I got one question correctly. Done. Nice. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna do question 9, and then after that I'm gonna just swap back to my chatting screen and then yap for a bit. Oh, just okay, because Phoenix was taken. Okay. I had a hunch. I was like, okay, it's Phoenix. I think it's Phoenix. Does the Goo Goo Baby want to? Goo Goo Baby? Maple? Holy, I'm so sorry to hear that. That is a very horrible situation. I hope you're surrounded by good things right now. I'm so sorry to hear that. Yeah, something wrong? No! I'm a big kid. But I hope you're able to find any like Okay, Maple. I'm so sorry. I'm just an internet stranger, but I genuinely hope that you're able to surround yourself with people who care and can help you get over this. Well, not get over this necessarily, but like, yeah, that's very disgusting. Okay, next question, question 9. Isn't it just like x plus 3y equals 70? Oh yeah. D. There you go. Yes, 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 yeah. Take care of yourself, please, please, please do. Exactly what Phoenix said. I will. Okay, okay. Okay, but we're gonna leave off with question 9. We're gonna start with question 10 next time. Yeah, hope that's able to change for you in the future. Yeah, I'm sorry. There's only so much I can do as the internet stranger, but like, I hope the future's gonna be good to you. And if not, I hope you can surround yourself with like, just to pass the time, you know, hobbies or sweet treats or any local resources that can help you out. Nah, 9 plus 10. That is old. We do not talk about 9 plus 10. Nah, 21. But yeah. Exactly what Phoenix said. Like, although like I'm just a person on the internet, but at least at this moment, I hope that my stream can help out just a little bit, you know. But otherwise, outside, I hope you're able to find resources, hobbies, your loved ones. And if not, everything's gonna be a new day with new opportunities. And even if things are really tough right now, you guys have me. I was never good at math. I hope you have an easier time with it than me, bro. I was melting down so much. Oh, that's my chair. Fuck. Yeah, exactly. And I hope you can find the crochet project to do or something. Just something to keep your mind off things. Just in the moment. In the long run, I hope you're able to. Did I miss the worst of it? You did. Dude, the first question I did was so bad. So bad. The first, it was a word problem. The first question I did. That is the question. It was this one. 21. It's 9 plus 10. I mean, what? Oh, okay, Maple. I seriously hope that the authorities are able to actually do what they need to do. Or what they have to do, you know? Hi, Amalgamation. Yeah, I just finished. I don't see the hard part of it. It's because I'm a clown and I overthink it. Oh my gosh, W Discord plug? Yeah, I seriously hope that everything... I'm just glad I got... Okay, that's one thing. That means you can do more things now. Yeah, I hope the best for you, Maple. I am going to slowly shift the shift the topic of the stream over. But I hope everything goes well for you, Maple. And ultimately, I hope that everything goes well. Genuine question: do you think your friends will ever find out that you are and were a VTuber? Some of my friends do know. My best friend found out. My best friend found out that I'm a VTuber because I have a TikTok account as a VTuber, and I accidentally opened the videos she sends me. And then on my birthday, she wrote me a letter and was like, P.S. I know you're a VTuber even though you never told me. Make sure you sign out of your TikTok. Oh, festival in your town. Cosplay! Oh my gosh, I hope... Oh my god, I love cosplay. I love cosplay. You're gonna have the time of your life. You got this. You're gonna have the most amazing time ever in the most amazing cosplay. Trust. You got this. Why did you decide to VTube? Because I have a backlog of like over 50 games I want to play. And if I force myself to sit down and actually play them as a VTuber, then I'll make progress. Are your friends weeps too? Yeah, most of my friends are. Yeah, where there's like anime, K-pop, YouTubers. Like the ACT. Ugh. The ACT testing? Ew. That? Ew. The test. That's not a game? You know what? Let's just end it at the SAT. Let's just do the SAT. Okay, at first the SAT was just like a silly fun idea for me to try. And then I realized I was really stupid. Well, not really stupid, but like I forgot a lot of things. Math is love, math is life. That's easy for you guys to say. I don't know anything. Dude, this stream has literally just been me being like silent while you guys help me out. No, SAT is fun with people? That's crazy. SAT is fun. May I cosplay as you? You make... Oh, I'll make sure... Yeah? Yes? Maple? If you ever cosplay as me, I'm not saying you have to, but if you ever do, and if you're okay with sharing pictures or like posting pictures, please let me know. Bro, I will like, you won't see it, but I will like put your picture on my screen and then like, and I'm like bow down to it like, holy shot. There's a Discord server where people will stream practice tests and we help each other out when problems are so tough. That's so nice. That's like a really good idea. Good night, Hydra. What I did was I used to have a Tumblr blog. My old Tumblr blog would like reblog everyone else's study guides, and I would save them and use them. So like if I looked up like AP World History on Tumblr, I'd be able to find it that way. Oh yeah, math as a tool. Yeah. What was I gonna say? I forgot. Do I have any announcements? I want to stream tomorrow. It is not gonna be the SAT. I am not gonna stream the SAT tomorrow. You will not find, at least not for another days. I don't know. No, not the ACT. I don't know whether it's gonna be a game. Oh, wait, you're cosplaying me on Saturday? What? I'm so honored. I am so honored, Maple. Yeah, no worries. I'm gonna explode, guys. I'm gonna explode into a million bajillion pieces right now. I am like internally Wait, you should do Valorant custom matches. It would be so. I can't play. I can't get Valorant to work on my computer. Every time I download and open Valorant, my screen is entirely black, and I can't get anything to turn on. Don't explode. Okay, fine. I won't. Just because you said so. Chat. We must all dress us. Yes. Yes. What are your PC specs? I have a really low budget PC. For starters, I only have 8 gigabytes of RAM. If anything, so that really limits the games I play. Also, I stream on Wi-Fi. I don't have Ethernet, so I used to experience a lot of lag. Back then, I used to stream Honkai Star Rail. Oh my god, my PC exploded. Even now, I have to be careful on the games I stream. 8 gigabytes RAM will kill me. That's almost enough for Crow. Unfortunately, computers and stuff are expensive. What can you play on stream? I play a lot of visual novels. I did get Devil May Cry 1. I did get... What's the lure with Maxi? He's just my brother. I don't know. I didn't think that far. Genuinely, like 16 gigabytes. Ugh. Might have to take a 3rd grade math exam, get above 98. Yeah, hell yeah. Of course. 16 at least. Costco's really good laptop PC deals during Black Friday. The thing is, what I have decided to do is that, you guys, first of all, do not feel required to do anything, okay? This is just me and what I'm pursuing, okay? The money that I make from streaming is all going towards a new PC. So I've been streaming for almost 3 years now, so everything I've made is gonna go towards that. So whether it's ad revenue or like subscriptions or like throne tips, it's gonna go to that. But like, do not feel required to do anything. I have heard of Toho. I don't really know what it is though. I have heard of Stardew Valley. I was told that I would be really bad at Stardew Valley because I hoard items. Oh, PC. Yeah, I'm using a PC. I don't feel like using a laptop. I like the feel of a monitor. No, please don't. Yep, exactly. I've heard of the AI thing impacting the prices. I'm probably gonna be on the lookout for like the made PC and just buy it off there whenever I accumulate enough. But otherwise, I'm vibing. I'm making the most of my current PC. Oh my god, it's my Twitch link. Maina Lilac. I know! Get your PC on Costco. The price is really good during Black Friday. Got it? Okay. I'll keep an eye out. I don't know what makes a good PC. I will have to ask someone for PC recommendations. Look, just I can't steal the RAM. No, I can't. Dude, I got my PC on sale for like $400 when it was it's super cheap or super like affordable. I'll give you specs. Oh my gosh, you guys are so knowledgeable. Dude, before I started streaming, I probably want pre-builds just because I don't know anything about computers. I'm like, I'll just have all the parts. I'll buy it like that. I don't know anything. Alright, Costco PC is pretty good. Okay, I'll keep an eye out. But yeah, I'll look into it. I still have a long way to go, but I'm vibing. I like my PC right now. Like I can do what I want to do on this computer, so it's all good. Mm-hmm. 32 RAM? Oh my gosh, wait, I'm taking a picture of your comment. Here are the specs? Okay, noted, noted. If you play Stardew Valley, have fun. I played Sunhaven for a bit. That was it. But then every time I played, I used to stream Sunhaven with Chef. And then every time we played, I was like, yeah, I gotta go back and clear my storage. Yeah, streaming and games take up hella memory and RAM control. Yeah. So the good thing about this is that I was really scared that if I multi-streamed. So I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube right now, if you guys couldn't tell. So I'm on 2 websites right now. And I was very nervous because I was like, oh my god, if I stream to more than one website, my PC might crash and explode. So I am currently using Restream, and that really, I think that's like a really good site for like double streaming, but like not putting too much pressure on my computer. I think it's all like virtual online somewhere. I don't know. I don't know how these things work. I'm just a girl. Tomorrow I'm gonna stream. It's either gonna be a game or a crochet hand cam. I don't know yet. I'm leaning towards a game. I don't know what game yet. Maybe Fruit Mountain, maybe whatever the hell I want to play. After that, so funny, people are buying laptops, scavenging the RAM. I recently, that's crazy. Oh my god, bro. Oh my, that's so much work, dude. Sometimes as a streamer, people will like send me their games that they want me to play. There were having times where like these studios would send me their game, like a Steam key, and I have to reply back being like, I'm so sorry, this game looks so fun, my PC just can't run it, I feel so bad. I'm like, I'm streaming at a toaster. Oof, I know, right? Oh well, I'm trying. I have like 3 games I said I would stream this month, so I know at least one's gonna be a Yuri game. I got a couple more. We'll see, we'll see. Stream tomorrow. I'm gonna upload a video sometime this week. I know too, my coworker loves Baldur's Gate, and she has like over 1,000 hours in that game. And then she's like, the game's so fun. I'm like, yeah, I wish I could play it. Okay, for the monitor. Okay, make a note. Make a note. A new monitor? Okay. I gotta save money for that too. I only have 370. God damn, that's still a lot. That's still a lot. What is it? I'm trying to think. So if anyone was not here for my last stream, I played a dating game where we dated cockroaches. And we finished the entire game, and I already commissioned an editor, and they're pretty much done editing the video, and we're just gonna like fix up some subtitles, and then I'll have the video uploaded sometime this week. One for stream stuff, one for game. My only concern is I stream on Wi-Fi. I don't stream on Ethernet. So my fear is that even if I get this crazy amazing PC, everything will still lag because I'm not streaming on an Ethernet. Like my connection's not as great. Yeah, unfortunately with my current living situation, I cannot use Ethernet cable. Yeah, every house has one. I just don't live alone. So if I use Ethernet, it's gonna interfere. Whether it's interfering with other people's connections, or there's gonna be like a giant ass cable across the place, you know? The bandwidth? Wait. I'll look into it, but like, who's your provider? I'm Spectrum Wi-Fi is ass. Oh I don't. Wait, actually, I don't think I should say my provider. But yeah, I do stream on like my home internet connection. I just don't have like I just cannot use like an Ethernet cable. She's a provider. Yeah, I'm the provider of all. I don't know. What was I saying again? A stream. Yeah. So cockroach highlight stream is gonna be on sometime later this week, and then I'm gonna stream on Friday and Saturday. I don't know. I think one of them is gonna be like a visual novel game. We'll see. We'll see. I do have homework due this week because I am taking summer class for my grad school. Guys, I hate it here. I mean, I love it here. I love streaming. Same here. It's okay. We got this. We can get through this. Yippee. You know what? 2.5 hours of SAT testing isn't so bad. I think I'm gonna end it off here today. But I got math homework every day. Yippee! I mean, no. I mean, if you like math, that's fine. I don't like math, so I'm gonna celebrate that I don't have math homework. But most of my classes are on like metadata and stuff like that, so it's fine. It's whatever. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much for the follow. Find the keys. Thank you. Take care, Maina. Math homework is good for you, bro. You're talking about this like it's a vitamin. Vitamin M, vitamin mathematics. Ew. Okay, I think I will stream tomorrow. If I don't, well, then I'll update you guys. But problem solving. Okay, you have a point there. So just a reminder, I have my social medias. I am Maina Lilac on most sites. I am Maina Lilac on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, all that fun stuff. And then we have a Discord server where you guys can join. Right there. Anything else? I think that's it. Alright. I think if you're on YouTube, then the Discord link is somewhere on my community post page. Somewhere around there. I've had a history of like potential scammers joining the server, so I try to be low-key about it. But the link is right there. Alright guys, I'm gonna get ready for sleep. I have work tomorrow. I have a 9 to 5. That's not math related. I mean, math is just here's equation, I read words and put numbers in. I can't even read. You guys saw how many times I misread the questions. Good night, chat. Yeah, good night, Phoenix. Good night, everyone. See ya. Might have a good work tomorrow. I'll try. Thank you, guys. I hope you guys have... Thanks for streaming. Stop. You're just so nice. Oh my gosh. Hope you guys have a nice morning, evening, night, afternoon, whatever time it is for you guys. I don't know where you guys are from. I hope you have a nice time zone, whatever that is. I'm gonna get ready for sleep. Maybe play a league game. I don't know. Did you pass? I failed as fuck. Bro, I had so many meltdowns. Dude, math is not my thing. I'm so ready for the reading test. Please, reading and writing, whatever, I'll take it. I'll take that any day. Good night, everyone. Good night. Sleep well, or else I'm gonna haunt your dreams. Wait, actually, some of you guys might want that. Never mind. I take that back. I hope you guys dream about playing League of Legends for the rest of your life. Is that bad? I'll be in your dreams with a computer being like, join me on Summoner's Rift, or else. We are going to play, but then we're gonna be on a losing streak, and then we will end up in Iron 4. How about that? Mwah. And then you'll be like, dude, why are we losing all the games? Because I'm playing Jungle Yumi. Wait, Jungle Yumi, actually, I've heard that work. I'll be top Yumi against, I don't know. It's not that bad. League is fine if it's with you. Stop. Okay. You guys mean it? Yeah, League. I can't stream League, unfortunately, but maybe I'll play some games because you guys are encouraging me to. Okay, I'm gonna end right now while I still can, or else I'll keep talking a lot more. I mean, I hate League with you. Back, sorry, I'm gonna listen to you while I play Stardew Valley. Maple, I'm actually gonna end stream right about now. I got work tomorrow. It's almost 11 p.m. for me. Bye-bye, everyone. Yeah, but sleep well, or else you'll dream of playing League of Legends and losing. Okay. Good night. Sayonara. Adios. Bye-bye.